Hello there, welcome back. Here's how you can remove some pages of a PDF document. For example, this sample PDF document filled with random text, just like this. So to remove the pages from this PDF, go to ilovepdf.com/remove-pages and then hit enter, and then select the PDF file that you want the pages to be removed, which is this one. So drag it into this, and then let's say if you want to remove this and this, so that there are 3 pages left, and then click on remove pages to remove the pages, and then click on download PDF to download the PDF document where some pages have been removed, just like this. There are now 3 pages. That's how you can easily remove pages from a PDF document. Easy, right? Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!